Into the fray one more time. This is a Battlebot mini-series called Battlebot Bounty Hunters, where 8 robots duke it out to see who gets to take on the legend. This is available on Discovery Channel Plus as an exclusive. Our first opponent is the other arachnid robot, Black Widow. We'd been preparing a flame-throwing scorpion tail with the help of Alan Cecil, the Tazbot team, and Dan Chatterton. With Ben and Bennett working the wrenches, we got this on the robot and ready to fight. In the arena, we were surprised to find out that Black Widow has a really good wedge, and the little legs actually kept us away from the sides for a bit of time. But eventually, with the flamethrower and the pulverizer, we were able to make a pretty big dent in this spider bot. I have to admit, they surprised me, and their robot was a lot more ready for this match than I thought. I'm excited to see what they will do in the future, because I'm sure they will rebuild and come back for Battlebots for even more robot destruction. The night before, we had made a pretty big request of our sponsor, Van Bever Brothers. We were out of our armor we use for horizontals, and there's only one place in California we can get it made, and that's Van Bever Brothers with their giant bench brake. They worked through the night to make us parts, and then our other sponsor, Alan from Tazbot, drove the parts to the recording, so we were able to put them on just in time to get ready for our next match, P1. Now this is the race car robot, and he is so fast. This is a hard robot to catch, but Diane and I were up to the task. We pinned him down and we poured on the punishment. One thing we noticed, the arm was swinging back way too fast, which means something's wrong with the clutch. And then when I looked away at the clock, P1 got under us, flipped us over, and would have knocked us out if it wasn't for the clock. We couldn't self-right because in the previous match we burned up the clutch when we were using the new flame-throwing arm. We squeaked by in that round, and it's on to fight Hypershock in the next episode. So I hope you guys are enjoying this bounty recap. Please stay tuned and subscribe for our next episode.